Welcome back to Algebra 1 exercise sessions, chapter 3.3, page 99. Number 3. Solve and check. 2z plus 4 equals to 8. 4 moves to this side. You have now 2z is equal to 8 minus 4, and that's equal to 4. We divide everything by 2, and z is equal to 2. 4y minus 7 equals to 21. Minus 7 moves to the other side, so we have 4y is equal to 21 plus 7, and that's equal to 28. We divide both sides by 4, and y is equal to 7. Number 9 minus 4 is equal to minus 8 minus 2z. Again, I can take minus 8 to this side, and we have positive 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 2z. And here we have 8 minus 4, that's 4, is equal to minus 2z. We divide both sides by minus 2, and we have z is equal to minus 2. Now, for equations that are given to you where the variable is on the right side, like the one we just did, these quantities are equal to each other. I can rewrite this as minus 8 minus 2z is equal to minus 4, in case you like your variable to be on the left side. And now you can solve, move this, and so on. Number 12, we will do this with number 12. We have 18 equals 2c plus 10, so we can write 2c plus 10 equals 18. It doesn't matter which quantity comes first. Both of these quantities are equal. So we can move now minus 10 to this side. We get 2c is equal to 18 minus 10, and that's equal to 8. We divide these 2 by 2, and then we have a c is equal to 4. Number 15, minus x plus 3 is equal to minus 4. Again, we move this to this side, so we get minus x is equal to minus 4 and minus 3, that's minus 7. Here we multiply everything by minus 1 to make this side, which is minus 1x, to make it positive. So minus 1, make our 1 big. This is a times, and this is our x. So minus 1 times minus 1 gives us an x here, and here we get a positive 7. Number 18, again we can rewrite this. Instead of minus 4 equals to 6 minus 2x, we can put 6 minus 2x first equals to minus 4. We take the 6 to the other side, becomes negative, minus 2x equals minus 4 minus 6, minus 2x is equal to minus 10. And now we divide by minus 2, and we get x is equal to, these two are negative, divided by each other, so the answer will be positive. 10 divided by 2, that's 5. Number 21, 5 plus y over 3 equals to minus 4. Again, the strategy in all of these equations is to isolate my variable. So we are going to isolate this term. Everything else goes to the other side. Now 5 goes to this side. We have y over 3 is equal to minus 4 and minus 5, and that's equal to minus 9. We multiply everything by 3, and y is equal to minus 27. We are working with this side of the equation. Again, number 24, 17 equals minus 10 plus 3 over 4z. We can rewrite it as minus 10 plus 3 over 4z is equal to 17. We move this to the other side, it becomes positive. 3 over 4z is equal to 17 plus 10, and that's equal to 27. Now, basically we have 3 over 4. Z is equal to 27. We multiply both sides by 4 over 3. These two numbers are reciprocals, so that will give me 1. So on this side we have Z, and here the 27 cuts with the 3, and we have 9 times 4, and that's 36. So Z is equal to 36. Number 27. Minus 3 equals to 8z plus 8 minus 9z. Minus 3 is equal to 8z plus 8 minus 9z. We isolate our variable. These two terms are like terms, so we can simplify. 8z minus 9z, that gives us minus 1z. So we are going to have on this side minus z. On the other side, we get the 8 here, and this becomes minus 8. So we will have minus 8 and minus 3. These two combine, and we get minus 11 is equal to minus z. We multiply both sides by minus 1, and we get z is equal to positive 11. Now on page 100, translate each problem into an equation and solve. Number 31, 34 is 6 less than 5 times the number. So I'm comparing 34 to 5 times the number is n, so 5n. This is 5 times the number. And 34 is 6 less. So if I add 6 to 34, these two quantities will be equal. Now it is easy to solve the equation. You simply add, that will be 40, divide by 5, so n will be 8. Number 32, 4 increased by 3 times the number is 22. So we have 3 times the number, that's 3n. 4 increased by 3 times the number, so these two quantities add to each other, the 4 and the 3n. Their sum is 22. And now you can solve the equation. The $347 selling price of a stereo is $35 more than 3 times the cost. So we have 3 times the cost, and that's 3n. And if we add to it 35, that will be equal to 347. And now you can simply solve this equation. Number 34, 2 less than 4 times the temperature is minus 20. So we have 4 times the temperature, that's 4n. 2 less, that's minus 2. This quantity is equal to minus 20 degrees. And now you can solve for n. You simply take the 2 to this side. So you have 4n is equal to 22, and you divide by 4. So the answer will be 22 divided by 4. 35, 5 times Mary's age decreased by 17 is 28. So 5 times Mary's age, that's 5n. Decreased by 17, that means minus 17. And is means equal to 28. And we solve this equation and get Mary's age. Number 36, 7 pounds less than twice Jason's weight is 219 pounds. So twice Jason's age is 2n, and we have 7 pounds less than this, so minus 7, that's equal to 219. So when we solve this, we get Jason's age. Now we go to number 54, solve. X minus 2x absolute minus 3 plus 8. On this side we get minus x is equal to absolute 5. So minus x is equal to 5. We multiply both sides by minus 1. And on this side we get x is equal to minus 5. Number 55. Absolute minus 9 plus 8 equals to minus 5x plus 4x plus 1. On this side we get minus 1 inside the absolute is equal to, we can combine these two and we get minus x plus 1. This comes out from the absolute as 1, positive 1 is equal to minus x plus 1. If we minus 1 from both sides, we get 0 is equal to minus x, and so x is equal to 0. And with this, we come to the end of this session. We hope to see you again.